Welcome to Cocomo Kids TV. Look, a submarine is here. Come on, kids. Let's enjoy the submarine. Going underwater, submarine goes down, down, down. Bubbles float all around. Submarine goes down, down, down into the magic sea we found. Muslim shark, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Muslim shark, doo-doo-doo, says assalamu alaikum to you. Happy shark, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Happy shark, doo-doo-doo, swimming, laughing, wahoo, wahoo. Muslim shark goes to mosque, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Muslim shark goes to mosque, praying, smiling, mashallah too. Kids all say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah for the sea. Thank you Allah for the fishes and for fun like this. Baby shark, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Baby shark, doo-doo-doo, swims with Muslim shark, wahoo, wahoo. All the fishes swim, 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 big and small, come see, see, see. Wave hello and doo-doo-doo, say Alhamdulillah too. Up we go, back to shore, kids all laugh and clap once more. Muslim shark waves, doo-doo-doo, see you soon, Allah bless you too. Thanks for visiting Cocomo Kids TV. See you next time under the sea.